Hey guys, my name is Big S681 and welcome to a Minecraft vehicle tutorial where in this video I will show you how to make this snow cone truck. Yes, I said it, a snow cone truck. This is Jumpy Snow Cone, named after the original creator of the truck, my good friend Jumpiest Thread. Shout out to him. So anyway, onto the truck. I improved the design, made it bigger, better. So materials that we're going to start off with is a block of coal, stone slab, oak planks, stairs, and slab, pink clay, and pink concrete. So starting off with your wheels, place your, let's see, we'll place it over here. Place your two front wheels with the two block gap in between. Skip 3 blocks on the 4th block. Place your back tires. And then place some upside down slabs going around the whole thing like this. So you should have a 7x4 square or a rectangle. Now getting out your oak planks, we're going to make a U shape like this in the front. Extend that by 1 more block. Use your stairs, your upside down stairs, put 2 there like that. And then you can finish it off. Keep this back gap open. Get out some chiseled quartz block. Now, since I'm using the city texture pack, I'm using chiseled quartz block. Now using your clay, place 2 like that. Skip the stairs, place another one. Jump to the other side and place a little row like that. From above, it should look like a J. Now back to your planks. Place one on top of here and then make a ring going around, matching it up on the other side. Getting out your stairs. Yeah, getting out your stairs, you want to wrap those around the front. And then using your slabs. If I'm doing this right. Filling the roof with upside down slabs. And then a 2x3 on top of the back there like this. Knocking out that block. So that's the basic shape or chassis. My bad. I used pistons. You also want to knock out this block right here above the driver's side. You can use this in default too. I used pistons instead. So now what you want to do is you want to get out quartz block, stair, and slab, as well as some iron blocks. iron pressure plate, a stone button, flower pot and a lever. We're going to be doing the inside. So jumping through the hole that you made. Place 2 iron blocks in front of the pistons. Quartz block there. A stair and a slab. Sideways stair like this, with a slab going off of there. Place your pressure plate on top of this iron block with the button on the side. Place your lever on the side of the stair, make sure it faces down. And put a flower pot there. That's what the slushies are going to go in. I have to check something. Oh, okay. These are actually droppers, not iron blocks. Or a dispenser. I just placed them sideways so you couldn't see the face. And I also renamed it Cooler. So you can do that. I am sorry, guys. I should have looked over this before I started. Just like that. Of course, you got a crouch and put the button on. All better. Don't forget to rename it Cooler. Now you can get out. I am sorry, guys. I really should have looked over this and got all my materials first. Alright. Get out your rail, a minecart, iron trapdoor, a wooden trapdoor, stone buttons, a ladder, tripwire hook, a torch, and a jukebox. You can start with that for now. Ooh, and the lever goes up until you're ready to use it. Just like an ice cream machine. So, place a trap door above the hole. Button next to it. Jukebox right there. With a button on those 2 sides. So now you can jump in. Push the button right underneath the trapdoor, just like that. Place your rails. Iron trapdoor in the hole like that. And there's your minecart. Of course, you can also take a torch and put it on the floor right here. Taking your ladders, you put those on the front for the grill. And put some buttons on the wheels for the hubcaps. Tripwire hook, and the 3rd block back for the door handles. Now the reason why I said get out pink concrete is because you don't have to use clay, you can use concrete. But in this truck, I added in a little bit of concrete for some faded paint. So you can do that. Get out your signs. Place your company name on the side of the truck right there and right here on the front. Put a sign right here. That would be your prices. So over here it says snow cone 2 emeralds. Ice cream license plate, so don't forget to put your license plate. Now getting out your stone buttons. You also want to get out an item frame, something for the tail lights, and something for the headlights. I'm going to use red clay and glowstone. Put on your tail lights, put some stone buttons above that. And your headlights. Get out your glass panes. You can use clear, you can use black, whatever you want. Place that in there for the window. Get your item frames back out. Put those on the side. You can display your items that you'll be selling. For instance, if I can find it, there. I use glowstone dust for lemon snow cones and redstone dust for cherry snow cones. Now if you name the item and then put it in the frame, the name will display, so it'll make it easier to see. So now your truck is almost done. We just need one more thing. Some gray carpet. Place it on top of the jukebox to hide the colorful buttons. And then all you gotta do is get a music disc. Play your music. So this is your completed snow cone truck or ice cream truck or whatever you want it to be. Of course you can change the colors of it. You can also see what it looks like at night, all lit up. I think it's a pretty nice design. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.